Today we'll talk about how can you disable daily clothes on your Robinhood app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to next zip here. Then you click here on notifications in the messages here. So then you come to this list, click here on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here. So then you click here on market updates. Then you keep going down here, come here to daily close, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color, it's gone, that's mentally close disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.